Hello and welcome to my first official weigh-in. There's been some debate about the weight of different machines that people have in their collections. I'm going to grab a few of mine and we're going to have a weigh-in and see which one weighs the heaviest. I thought I'd start with Singer 201-3 and we'd be able to see what she weighs soaking dry. So here we go. It weighs heavy, that's for sure. Now, this is the 30-pound machine, 30 pounds and 2 ounces. Next is the Gritzner Keisner, weighing at 33.8 pounds. Nope, 34 pounds. And next is the Spanish-made Alpha. Oh, this thing is a tank. And that's 36.6. So I won that one. This is definitely the heaviest machine. And as a special bonus, I will put my Kenmore 67 on here. We'll take a pound and I guess a pound would be good for the case bottom because I'm not taking it out of the case. It's too difficult. And that's 34.8. So taking a pound off there, 33.6. So there you have it. The heaviest machine is the Alpha from Spain. It is the heaviest thing. You could use this thing to anchor the Titanic, even though it's at the bottom of the ocean, or possibly the Queen Mary or some other ship that happens to be in service. You don't want it to move, whatever the case is. I hope that puts to rest the questions about which machine weighs the most. The Alpha won that one, and it won it fair and square. It's a tank of a machine. Heavy, heavy, heavy.